Here I have TOSCIDO P101, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be alarms, media, sounds, touch sounds, reminders and events. You can also restrict notifications. You can only disable sound from notifications, or you can disable sound and visuals, or you can customize it for yourself, which stuff you want to disable and which you want to left enabled. You can also set up default duration of this mode, and you can also set up a schedule for it, like you can select days on which it will be active, start time, end time, Do Not Disturb mode behavior, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.